What if this glass of milk could stay perfectly fresh for 6 whole months without a single day in the fridge? Witness the high-speed miracle of advanced science and sterile technology. This is the ultimate journey of pure milk. The journey of perfection begins at the first break of dawn. Here, advanced robotics and nature work in silent harmony. Every drop is collected in a closed, sterile system for absolute purity. Precision cooling starts immediately, locking in freshness at 4 degrees. The harvest arrives. Our insulated tankers are mobile fortresses of quality. A constant stream of white gold flowing into the heart of the facility. Connecting the lines, every seal must be perfect before the intake begins. But before it moves an inch further, it faces the ultimate test. AI-driven analysis scans for every nutrient, ensuring only the best survives. We check for everything. Purity is not a goal, it is our standard. Under the microscope, we verify the microscopic integrity of every batch. The pumps roar to life, moving thousands of liters per hour. Smart cleaning technology ensures our pipes are always surgically clean. Cold steel and cold milk. Temperature control is our obsession. These massive silos hold the potential to nourish an entire city. Automated valves manage the flow with mathematical precision. Constant motion prevents separation. The milk stays perfectly uniform. Real-time monitoring. Every second of the process is tracked globally. A world of stainless steel where hygiene is the absolute law. Multi-stage filtration removes even the smallest natural sediment. Pressure, flow and temperature, the trinity of milk processing. A maze of corridors designed for maximum efficiency and zero waste. The green light, verification complete. The milk is ready for the call. A reference sample is archived. We keep a record of every single drop. Now we dive deeper into the science of modern dairy. Phase 2, the massive force of the industrial centrifuge takes over. Spinning at thousands of RPMs to harness the power of physics. Cream and skim milk separated with surgical high-speed precision. 5,000 liters every hour. Consistency is our primary promise. An engineer's touch, fine-tuning the balance of every batch. A battery of separators working in perfect synchronized rhythm. Rich golden cream, the concentrated essence of the farm. Fortification begins, adding the vital vitamins your family needs. Enter the homogenizer, where high pressure creates a smooth miracle. Fat globules are shattered, ensuring the milk never separates again. The result is a silky, uniform texture that lasts until the final sip. Preheating begins, gradually preparing the milk for the heat of the UHT. Standardization is an art form. Every carton must taste exactly the same. Rhythmic pumping, the heartbeat of the modern production line. Manual checks back up the digital systems. Double security, always.
Phase 3. The UHT miracle. This sterilization process heats the product instantaneously.
Blue light scanning, detecting what the human eye could never see. Steam power, the ancient element driving the most modern tech. You can hear the precision in every beat of the machinery. The milk spirals through the heat exchangers, gaining energy. Total control is just a touch away. The future is automated. Polished steel reflects a commitment to a world-class environment. Clarity and density, tested at every transition point. A spotless floor for a spotless product. Purity is everywhere. Predictive maintenance. We replace parts before they ever show wear. Removing the air, ensuring nothing can oxidize or spoil the taste. Relieving the pressure. The system breathes like a living machine. The transformation is nearly complete. Next up, the miracle. Real-time density tracking, ensuring the perfect mouthfeel every time. UHT Tech, the pinnacle of liquid food engineering. Focusing now on the most critical seconds of the entire journey. Ultra-high temperature, where science meets absolute safety. The pressure rises. We are entering the realm of flash sterilization. Moving at extreme velocity through a forest of heating plates. 140 degrees, a heat so intense nothing survives. In 4 short seconds, every single bacterium is neutralized forever. Direct steam injection, precision heating at the molecular level. Massive cooling towers balance the energy of the entire plant. The flash heat is over. Now, the rapid plunge back to cold. Locking in the flavor. Shock cooling preserves the natural sweetness. 4 seconds that change everything. Safety without preservatives. A sterile atmosphere. The air itself is filtered to a surgical grade. The aseptic buffer. A silver fortress of protected, sterile milk. Hermetically sealed, not a single molecule of outside air can enter. Oxygen levels, 0. This is why our milk stays fresh for months. Continuous sterilization. The environment is constantly self-cleaning. pH levels verified. The chemistry of the milk is perfectly balanced. Traveling through the sterile highway toward the filling station. The vibration of success. Sterile milk in motion. All systems green. We are ready for the final shield. Redundant safety valves. We never take chances with your health. Crystal clear and pure. This is the gold standard of dairy. A ghost factory. Fully automated to prevent human contamination. Laser-guided flow. Measuring the volume to the milliliter. Cleaning in place. The system washes itself while it works. Timing is everything. Synchronized to the millisecond. A marvel of thermodynamics. Efficiency at its absolute peak. Nitrogen blanketing. Protecting the milk from the very air we breathe. AI eyes scan the tanks. Constant vigilance is our duty. Internal pressure balanced. The machine is in perfect equilibrium. The sterile miracle is complete. Now we wrap it for the world. The final shield, 6 layers of high-tech packaging material. The paper is sterilized in a bath of pure energy and light. Laser scored for a perfect fold, engineering in every carton. Creating the tube, the shape of modern nutrition takes form. Filling in a vacuum, the milk meets the box in total silence. Ultrasonic sealing, a bond that light and air can never break. An army of cartons marching toward families across the globe. Stamped for life, every box carries its own unique identity. Zero tolerance for flaws, the robots reject the imperfect instantly. Group for the journey, efficiency in every single movement. The final rep, protection against the elements of the road. Ascending to the warehouse, moving into the digital sky. Robotic palletizing, stacking the weight of a nation's health. The stretch wrap spin, locking the pallet for international travel. Labeling for the USA. Our mission goes beyond borders. Autonomous vehicles move silently through the dark warehouse. The docks are alive. 20 trucks, 1 mission, freshness. The seal is locked. The high-security journey begins now. Powering up, the final link in the global supply chain. Leaving the facility, a fleet of health heading to your city. The arrival from our high-tech fields to your local shelf. A trusted brand, a name that stands for mass production marvels. The satisfying click, the seal of freshness is finally broken. Pure, white and delicious, the taste of a job well done. Nourishing the next generation. This is why we do what we do.
It is so good to have everyone
Recyclable
together this
and
morning.
responsible.
All right,
A cycle
cheers,
that
everyone.
respects the planet. This is the marvel of mass production. This is Mass Production Marvels. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey today on Mass Production Marvels. We cherish every moment you shared with us. Remember to subscribe to the channel to see more cutting-edge production technologies. See you next time. Keep creating and believe in yourself. Goodbye.